Dear kids, today we'll be taking our new topic, that is translation, or you can also call it as transformations. In this, kids, you must have done how do you write if I give you the x and the y coordinates of any point. Suppose this point is P and this is the coordinates are 2, 3. How do you write? This is known as the way we write it. This is called as the coordinate system, the coordinate notation. We normally write in graph like this. But here I'll be teaching you the vector notation, that is how to write it like this. So if I give you point P, now I'll be giving you the coordinates in this form. Getting my point? This will be your x coordinate and this will be your y coordinate. That if this is a triangle and if it is moving towards your right, your coordinates will be positive, and if it is moving towards your left, the coordinates will be negative. Let's see our first part. Okay, here I have given you an equation which is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. My dear kid, those who have seen my previous video, they know very well कि उनको मैंने बताया था कि अंदर का जो भी हम लोग का x square का graph is something like this. So if I have an equation which makes x plus 3 the whole square plus 2, that means my x square graph will move if it is plus 3. That means it will move towards negative, towards your left minus 3. It will reach to minus 3. Got my point clear? तो ये हमने देखा था कि अगर ब्रैकेट के अंदर पॉजिटिव साइन है तो हम लोग का जो ग्राफ है वो मूव करता है टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट minus 3. So exact value, the movement of your graph will be minus 3 towards your left. But always remember, your x makes the movement towards left and right, and your y makes the movement towards your of your graph towards up and down. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? तो अगर मैं आपको कुछ दे रही हूँ 2, 3, तो इसका मतलब होता है ये एक्स एक्सिस है एंड दिस इज योर वाई एक्सिस. सो एक्स एक्सिस की तरफ आपका ग्राफ 2 यूनिट्स मूव किया है और वाई एक्सिस की तरफ आपका ग्राफ 3 यूनिट्स मूव किया है. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. Okay, now the graph of y is equal to x square plus 5x is translated 2 units towards right. My dear kids, आपका graph towards right गया है. Are you getting my point? I said you before also, if it goes towards right, towards your positive towards your right direction, towards positivity of x-axis, that means inside the bracket it will be minus 2. 2 यूनिट अगर राइट साइड में गया है तो इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट यू हैव टू पुट इट minus 2. So if I am getting this equation and I am saying you that my graph is translated 2 units to the right, so how you will find the equation of resulting? So what will be the graph of your resulting equation? What will be the graph of your resulting line, resulting curve? So how you will present that equation? So here, as I said you, x square, that means now you are moving it towards your right. That means inside will be x minus 2 the whole square. Are you getting my point clear? That is, x becomes x minus 2. Always remember opposite sign. If you are going towards your right, go for minus 2. 2 यूनिट टूवर्ड्स राइट गए हो तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर माइनस 2. 2 यूनिट्स टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट गए हो तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर प्लस 2, x प्लस 2. Getting my point? Here we are moving 2 units towards right. That means inside the bracket your x will become x minus 2. Clear? So this will be my equation of my new graph. Getting my point? So this was the original graph, and now my graph, this was the original equation of a graph, and now because my graph has moved, because my curve has been translated 2 units to the right, so the equation of the new resulting graph will be this. Got my point clear? But now here in this question it is said that the resulting graph का जो equation बना है, you have to give it in y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. That means you have to open this entire, You have to open this entire equation, and my dear kids, after that you will get the equation something like this, and that will be your final equation of your new graph when it is moved 2 units towards right. Is that clear? Next we have y is equal to under root 2x, and it is translated by vector minus 5, 3. Are you getting my point clear? Minus 5 is towards your x-axis and 3 towards your y-axis. x-axis में जो साइन दी हुई है -5 मीन्स टूवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट, और अगर आप -5 कर रहे हो तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर +5, मतलब x बन जाएगा x + 5, ठीक है। और जो ये 3 है ये आपके इक्वेशन के बाहर का पार्ट रहता है। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन हियर? √2x. नाउ √2x is inside, so what it will become, as I said you, your x will get converted into x plus 5, clear, and your plus 3, because 3 is positive. You do not have to change any sign of your y coordinate. You have to just make a change in sign of your x coordinate, that you have to remember. ठीक है? Clear with this? So that's your equation for the new graph, which will have this as a vector coordinates. ठीक है? तो वेक्टर कोऑर्डिनेट्स मतलब ये बताया गया है कि ये हम लोग का ग्राफ है, ओरिजिनल ग्राफ इस इक्वेशन का है, लेकिन अब वो मूव करेगा x के कोऑर्डिनेट्स -5 मूव करेंगे और y के 3 यूनिट्स मूव करेंगे। लेकिन मैंने कहा था जब हम इक्वेशन बनाते हैं तो x अगर माइनस में दिया हुआ है, -5 दिया हुआ है, तो वो जब वो बन जाता है x + 5. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? एंड y विल बी एज इट इज़. y अगर +3 है तो +3 आपको बाहर की तरफ रखना है. इज दैट क्लियर? स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली यू विल लर्न हाउ टू डू इट, डोंट वरी. सो दिस विल बी समथिंग लाइक दिस. गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? Okay, let's take one more. In this we have find the equation of each graph given with the given transformation. So if it is given y is equal to 2x square, and after translation by 0 and 4, how your graph will be. ग्राफ का इक्वेशन बताना है, ठीक है। ये आपका एक्स एक्सिस है, मतलब देर इज़ नो चेंज इन योर एक्स एक्सिस, एंड दिस इज़ योर वाई एक्सिस. इफ़ देर इज़ नो चेंज इन योर एक्स एक्सिस तो योर ग्राफ विल बी वाई इज इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर प्लस आपका 4 वाई एक्सिस में चेंज. अगर एक्स एक्सिस में कुछ चेंज होता तो उसका ऑपोजिट साइन लेकर हम लोग एक्स में डालते. क्लियर? सेकेंड, इफ आई हैव, आई टेक दिस वन, that is y is equal to 7x square minus 2x, and the translation is 0, 1. That is x-axis, there is no change, and y-axis you have to add 1. So that means your equation will be 7x square minus 2x plus 1. Clear? Okay. Third, okay, let's take some like this. Okay, I'll go for fifth one, E. I'll take y is equal to 2 upon x. Now the translation given is -5, 0. Be very sure there is no change in y-axis, but there is change in x coordinate. Getting my point? और x coordinate यहाँ पे नेगेटिव दिया हुआ है तो हम लोग का x + 5 बन जाएगा. Getting my point? तो instead of x you have to write x + 5. Clear? Okay. Next I'll take okay, now find the translation, that is you have to find the vector notation that transforms the graph. That means now before my graph was y is equal to x square plus 5x minus 2, and now my graph has become, the equation of the graph has become x square 5x plus 2. Okay, what is the difference here? Your x is same, my dear kids, so there is no change in x, so I'll write 0 over there. And what you have seen, -2 has become +2. That means you have moved 4 units towards your y-axis. Are you getting my point? क्योंकि अगर आप x square plus 5x minus 2 plus 4 करेंगे, then only you will get something like this, which is your this graph. Are you getting my point? So this will be your vector for translation that transforms the graph. So these are the vector coordinates because of which your graph has changed from this to this. Clear? Next we will see again here you will notice in your second graph x cube 2x square is same. The change is in y coordinate. So you will write the vector to be 0 and your y coordinate plus 1 and you needed plus 1 and here it is minus 4. So plus 1 and minus 4 my dear kids, what you will be doing? That means it will be plus 5. Yes? No, minus 5. I'm sorry. So that will be minus 5. Are you getting my point? That means you have done minus 5 here so that you get here minus 4. Clear? Let's see the C1. Okay, let's see the C part and it goes y is equal to x square minus 3x here and your new graph is y is equal to x plus 1 square minus 3x plus 1 and there's no further in the constant term. You do not have any constant term. That means आपका y intercept नहीं है. So you have the y intercept. Instead of y intercept you can write 0 and for your x, if you notice in your bracket it is x plus 1. That means here it will be minus 1. So what will be the vector notation? It will be minus 1 0. Clear? Okay. Shall we take one more? Okay. Let's give a try for f and it goes y is equal to 5 upon x square minus 3x and your new graph is y is equal to 5 upon x minus 2 square minus 3x plus 10. Now here there is no constant y-intercept but here y-intercept is 10. So I can write y-intercept to be 10. Okay, and what about x? Here it is x square, here it is x minus 2 square. So in a way if you have x minus 2, your graph would have gone plus 2. Clear? So this will be the vector notation for your f. Clear my dear kids? I'll pack up here. If you have any doubt you can message me. God bless.